Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on fast charging. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Battery and Device Care. Following that, click on Battery section at the top, scroll all the way down, tap on More Battery Settings, and click on this gray switcher next to Fast Charging feature. As you can see, after that, fast charging is on. But you can always switch it off by tapping on the same now blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!